Good morning, students. Today, in this GK session, we will do lesson number 33 and 34. Let's start with lesson 33. True or false? The first one is the bat is of the bird family. This is false. Bats are the only mammals capable of true and sustained flight. Number 2 is the squirrel is a rodent. This is true. Number 3 is birds are the only animals that sing for their mates. This is false because other animals can also sing for their mates. Number 4 is some birds migrate only a short distance and others migrate great distance. This is true. Next is leaves need a lot of sunlight to produce chlorophyll. This is also true. Number 6 is in the spring and summer, the only pigment in the leaf is chlorophyll. This statement is false. During summers, there is so much chlorophyll in the leaves, but we simply cannot see the other pigments. Seventh number is trees give off carbon dioxide which pollutes the air. This statement is false because trees release oxygen which is necessary for our life. Leaves pull in carbon dioxide. Students, let's start chapter 34 Name Fame. Some people become famous with their nicknames. So, in this chapter, we will identify some famous people from their nicknames. First one is Bard of Avon. William Shakespeare is often called England's national poet and the Bard of Avon. He was an English playwright, poet, actor, and world's greatest dramatist. Next one is Little Corporal. Napoleon Bonaparte was a French statesman and military leader who led many successful campaigns during the French Revolution, and he became Emperor of France from 1769 to 1821. The third is Birdman of India. Dr. Salim Ali was the first Indian to conduct systematic bird surveys across India and wrote several bird books that popularized ornithology in India. And the next is the father of English poetry. Geoffrey Chaucer was an English poet and the author, widely considered the greatest English poet of the Middle Ages, and he is best known for the Canterbury Tales. Number 5 is Mahamana. Madan Mohan Malviya was known as Mahamana. He was an Indian scholar, educational reformer, and became the president of Indian National Congress in 1909 and 1918. The Mahamana title was conferred to him by Rabindranath Tagore. And the sixth one is Wizard of Menlo Park. Thomas Alva Edison was an American inventor and businessman who developed many devices. Edison built his famous laboratory in the Menlo Park, where he invented the phonograph and electric light. Edison soon became famous as the Wizard of Menlo Park because of his inventions. And the seventh is Lady with the Lamp. Florence Nightingale was an English social reformer, statistician, and the founder of modern nursing. Florence gained her nickname, the Lady with the Lamp, during her work. Next is father of computers. Charles Babbage invented first automatic digital computer. That's why he is known as the father of computers. Next is Frontier Gandhi. Abdul Ghaffar Khan was nicknamed Frontier Gandhi in British India, being a close friend of Mahatma Gandhi. He was one of the participants of Mahatma's various movements. Next is father of evolution. Charles Darwin was known as father of evolution. The theory of evolution is a shortened form of term theory of evolution by natural selection, which was proposed by Charles Darwin. Next one is Führer. Adolf Hitler was a German politician and leader of the Nazi Party. He rose to power as the Chancellor of Germany in 1933. And the last one is Punjab Kesari. Lala Lajpat Rai was an Indian freedom fighter. He played an important role in the Indian independence movement. He was popularly known as Punjab Kesari. Okay, students, that's all for today. Complete your book pages 62 and 63 and revise again sincerely. Thank you.